There are a large variety of modules to choose from. Drawers, cabinets, wall-mounted units, tall units. The drawers and shutters open out and close smoothly and silently. Inside the drawers, steel racks of varying designs and size are provided to store different items. Innovative designs like the corner units are efficient means of maximizing the usage of space. The steel trays, handles, hinges, and runner units are of world-class brands, reputed for finish and durability. The edges are firmly rounded with edge banding or post-forming technology. The premium grade marine plywood used in the modules is water resistant and termite resistant.